Hello there, lads and gents. Today another Donboxing, and I have for you, thank you for Fosi Audio for sending it over, the Fosi Audio DS1. Yes, after I very much liked the DS2, the 2024 edition was really nice dongle out there, like one of the best I have tested in a long time. Yeah, somebody in the comments said, hey, could you maybe compare it to the DS1? And I was like, unfortunately, I don't have it. But they were like, okay, we can send it over, and I'm like, of course, like, I'm very interested to compare the different dongles. And yeah, while the DS2 came with an AKM chipset, this one comes with a standard ESS chipset. That's the box, and yeah, let's quickly check if they say more about it at the back. Nope, they don't say what ESS chipset it is. So I can't tell you, but this should have less power than the one from AKM. And yeah. That's the unboxing so far. Here is the actual dongle. Oh boy, this is a heavy piece. Boah. Let me see if I can find the DS2 on my desk. Unfortunately, I can't find the DS2 on my desk, but I have something else that we can compare it to. This is the Shanling M0 Pro, and man, these are about the same weight. So the metal they're using here is massive. Ooh, wait, this is like one machine piece of aluminium. Whoa, okay, that's why it feels so nice in the hand. So the whole thing on the outside, as you can see, this is one machine piece, like all of this here. And then they put an aluminium plate at the bottom as well. And yeah, this is pretty damn heavy. It might be actually, sorry for the audio, it might be too heavy for on the go, because this will, if you plug in cable, it will out of your pocket. But it feels very well made, and also the machining seems to be done so well to a point that the corners are actually a bit sharp. It's a bit too much. I mean, I like nice machined aluminium, don't get me wrong, but the corners here are a bit sharp, like we are definitely going to be a bit pokey there. And yeah, you have the printing here, and you can see this can do 32-bit at 768 kilohertz and DSD 512. So basically everything you need it to do. As outputs, we have 3.5mm and 4.4. And again, let me stress, this is one piece of machined aluminium here. This feels very nice in the hand. And the integration of the parts also seems to be well done. There's no weird seams that are bigger or much bigger on one side than on the other. Slightly here with the 3.5 part, as you can see at the top here is a bit more than the bottom, but really ever so slightly. At the back, the USB-C. Let me quickly check the other accessories. Oh, actually, we get a different cable than we got with the DS2. So this is braided, and actually some thick braiding here, and it's still relatively smooth in that. I like that. Again, strain releases is too hard, doesn't really release strain, but the cable feels very solid to me, so that's nice. And let's quickly do a plug-in check here. Yep, that is a very heavy going USB-C port, which is good or bad depending on how you see it. Good, of course, because it will last longer, but bad in terms of, yeah, just can't plug it in and play that easily. And also nice, we get the USB-C to USB-A adapter. Use that on my laptop basically every time, because I only have one USB-C, and that is used for my docking station. And on the other side, it's plugged in with USB-A, because I have two of that. And yeah, let's quickly check and look at the bottom here. So this is like textured, probably helping it with some gripability, or like to just hold it a bit better. And you can also play music with it, if you be a musician. I'm not. So yeah, very well built device from how thick and how heavy it feels. Although, you hear that? Why does it make noises? Oh, one last thing. Let's quickly check the buttons out. That is a nice crunchy press. Let me go get it closer to the mic. That's a nice crunchy press. I like this a bit more than the DS2 here. But yeah, I will need to give this, of course, a listen and yeah, try to A/B it with the DS2. So I can tell you how good this is. Yeah. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any recommendations, if you have criticisms, or any other feedback, please leave a comment. Donspektor out.